Are you struggling with limited channels on your Firestick? Discover a groundbreaking way to unlock IPTV services easily. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly introduce you to something brilliant, the solution you never knew existed. We're talking about using IPTV to enhance your Firestick experience, offering countless channels directly to your screen. Installing IPTV on your Firestick is surprisingly simple. Begin by navigating to your device settings to start the process. Next up, you'll need to download a trusted app to access IPTV. Allow us to suggest using 2tv.store for the best experience. Once installed, open the app and enter your IPTV credentials. It's secure and ensures you access licensed content seamlessly. Navigate through the diverse content offered, from blockbuster movies to popular TV shows. It's all at your fingertips. The best part: with a trusted provider like 2tv.store, quality and reliability are guaranteed, maximizing your viewing pleasure. Wondering about legal concerns? Rest assured, using accredited providers ensures your viewing is completely legitimate and safe. So why wait? Transform your entertainment journey by accessing limitless content on your Firestick today using 2tv.store. Click the link below to step into a new world of entertainment possibilities. It's time to redefine your TV experience forever.